Good morning. Today's news, 14th August 2020. You are listening to Khyati Anand, your news anchor from Lavapra Media. Here we bring you latest news from around the world. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday became the fourth longest serving PM in Indian history after surpassing late former PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee's combined tenure of 2,268 days. PM Modi has also become the longest serving Indian PM of non-Congress origin. India has a total of 14 PMs so far. PM Modi on Thursday launched a faceless income tax assessment scheme to eliminate the human interface in the assessment system. Cases for scrutiny will be allocated randomly and notices will be issued centrally with a document identification number. While speaking at a launch of the new income tax platform, PM Modi said that only 1.5 crore people pay income tax in a country with 130 crore population. Those who are able to pay income tax but are not in the tax net yet should come forward with self-motivation, he added. Medical degrees obtained from colleges located in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh will not be registered under Indian Medical Council Act, and those possessing such certificates will not be allowed to practice modern medicine in India, Medical Council of India said. Following the violence in Bengaluru on Tuesday night, Karnataka Tourism Minister C.T. Ravi and BJP MP Tejasvi Surya have requested CM Yediyurappa to attach properties of those involved in the riot. Delhi's Jamia Millia Islamia has ranked first in the list of central universities released by the Ministry of Education. Jamia secured highest score of 90%. The ranking is based on an evaluation signed between the University, Ministry of Education and University Grants Commission. India's COVID-19 death toll has become the world's fourth largest, surpassing the UK with a total of 47,033 fatalities. India's cheapest Remdesivir version launched at 2,800 rupees per vial for COVID-19. Over 1,000 blood donation camps were organized during Janmashtami celebrations in Mumbai by Dahi Handi Samnay Samiti, an umbrella body that monitors over 1,000 Govinda mandals in Mumbai. Katra-Delhi Express Road corridor connecting Jammu to Delhi will reduce time travel to around 6.5 hours, Union Minister Jitendra Singh said. Thank you. I, Khyati Anand, will come tomorrow with latest updates. Stay tuned. Have a great day.